Hey, 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 welcome to another Valley Forged. Actually been looking forward to this episode. I really believe that getting better at your hobby or your job, which is for me, is necessary. And it's also super fun. And I'm so thankful that I found lasers, and it's been my career for 6 years now, and I'm loving it as much as I ever have. And I really love sharing that knowledge with everybody out there and getting the feedback. And I've been looking for ways to do that better because I love YouTube and I've learned so much throughout the years. I don't even know how I would have done so much without it. I mean, just think of all the light burn or the software videos that you learn, the different ideas that you get and the things that you can make and what everybody else is doing. It's been an incredible journey on YouTube, and I'm not leaving. But the problem is that I end up making all of these videos, and somebody's like, "Okay, well, they're a beginner of, say, let's just take leather for an example." And you just want to learn how to use a laser to make a leather wallet. Well, I have a bunch of different videos that are explaining that exact thing. Maybe they're different wallets, but where do I tell you to start? I mean, I'd like to have a place that's like, okay, here's the beginning. Here are the materials that you buy. Here are the tools that you need. And just, even if you're not into leather, just pick any subject, MDF or plywood or, making bottle openers, whatever. There's all of these things that, where do you start? And so I've been looking for a place. Somebody actually mentioned we should start a Discord, but I really don't like the word Discord at all. So it makes me not ever, I've had one before. I didn't really like it. And I just don't like the word as far as, laser community. I want this to be a positive thing. So I noted that Laser Lady had started a thing called School. This really, I was like, hey, this makes a lot of sense for me other than a Discord where I can put the courses in everything, whether it be starting a business, whether it be leather and lasers, whatever the topic, we can at least have it to where it shows the beginning to the end so that you can follow it. Now, of course, on YouTube, we have playlists, but it doesn't really work that way. It doesn't put them in order, and it just doesn't work. Also, for the people who buy the All My Files pack, I need to get you the updates. I'm always putting out more files. And for all of 2026, you get all of my files. So what, every time you buy it on, on Etsy, you have to send me a message, then I have to send you the update. Same thing with me, my Ultimate Wallet file. I'm about to add a whole bunch of new things that everybody who's bought the Ultimate Wallet file will get that. So how am I going to get that to you? So if I have a special place for everybody who's bought those, and they could just go in there and get the updates, get the new videos on how to make all of this stuff, it just made a lot of sense. And so I'm going to put a link for my new school. And it's brand new. And so I'm looking for your help and feedback on that. This isn't a place for me to sell you stuff. I'm not saying I won't charge money for anything, but it's mainly just going to be a resource for teaching different courses, school. And I'm going to have a link for mine. And I'm also going to have a link below for Laser Ladies because, hey, I took that inspiration from her. And honestly, she's going to have a lot of things to take your business or whatever to the next level that I might not have on mine. Between the two of us, I think we're going to have an awful lot of great information. So check out both of those links below. Check them out. And at this stage, I've got a couple of things up, but what I'm mostly looking forward to is getting your feedback so that we can make the school helpful for you. Not like everybody, like you in particular. It may sound crazy in this day and age of everybody trying to sell stuff, but I literally want to help everyone out there. And I take inspiration from things like, Sunday Night Live with Clack Shack and Ventari. They're helping people every week. Well, I always wanted to have my own way of giving back, and doing a live session just didn't seem like my thing. So this makes a little bit more sense. I'm also a little bit lazy, so I don't want to have to always be doing something specific every single week at a specific time. I want to just leave for 6 weeks if I want to, right? And so, as I said, if you have the All My Files or the Ultimate Wallet, you're especially going to want to join, because that's the way that it's going. I'm going to be able to get you all of the updates, and you'll have your own level or whatever unlock that puts you in that particular group. I will, of course, be talking more about that as things go, but I just wanted to let you know about that. And another reason of doing the school, and you'll already see this when you go there, there's some things I can talk about on there that I just can't talk on YouTube. There are ways that some of these manufacturers can really hurt your channel. It's unfortunate, but it's true. So say, let's make up a name, Monport. Was upset because I made a video about them. Purely hypothetical, of course. And, you know, there are ways that these manufacturers can hurt your channel. That's why you don't see a lot of negative reviews out there. But I do want a way where I can just tell you how I feel about things. And you may have a different perspective, but at least you can make an informed decision before you're buying a laser that isn't just YouTube hype. And I know between me, Clack Shack, Vitari, Laser Lady, other people, we're trying to give an honest feedback about what's going on, but it isn't always easy. And at least on a school type thing, I can explain to you why that isn't easy. And maybe you can help me or any of us do a better job on YouTube. We need some dialogue there. I really feel like that's true. If you saw, and I'll probably put some excerpts of some of the contracts that we get, so you understand that what we're dealing with. Now, obviously, we refuse a lot of those, but I just want you as a customer to be able to understand what's going on so that you can make the best decision you can. I really feel like school is a great place we could do that. So we will have a place on reviews and things like that, and being able to talk about different manufacturers, who's the best, why, customer service, all these sorts of things, and we could just lay it out for each other. And I'm not going to be able to answer all of the questions. Thank goodness there'll be other people who have more knowledge than I do that will be able to help you out. There's some things that I'm really, really good at, but I'm not great at everything. So I think that's kind of nice. So hopefully some other laser YouTubers and professionals and whatnot will come in once in a while and help out. I just want it to be a good community for everybody. The laser community itself is amazing. This is the reason why I wake up every day and I want to do this. Not only, you look around, I got lasers everywhere. I got projects everywhere. I'm really enjoying so much of it. I have more to do than I could possibly do in a lifetime. And it's really fun. So I appreciate everybody out there. This is one of the best communities that I've seen. It's one of the few communities left in this world where people treat each other with respect, and I appreciate that. So I will see you over there at school, and we'll be talking about this later. And then, of course, join Laser Lady School, which she already has a bunch of members, and you can already get a lot of good information there and some good feedback. So I will see you soon. See you in the next one. Love y'all.
It's not a plastic straw, it's a metal straw, so no turtles were harmed. Really just